Join VSG Central as we try to make money online fast using only AI-generated content. Can we really turn this tech into cash? Making money online has always been a dream for many, but with the rise of AI tools, it's becoming more accessible to everyone. We're no longer limited by our lack of skills, time, or resources. The question is, can we really leverage AI-generated content to generate a significant income online? One of the biggest struggles people face when trying to make money online is finding the time to create high-quality content consistently. Many of us have day jobs, families, or other responsibilities that make it difficult to dedicate hours to creating content. Another challenge is the lack of skills or experience in a particular area, making it hard to produce content that resonates with our audience. And then there's the issue of resources. Not everyone has the budget to invest in courses, software, or hiring a team to help them create content. These struggles can be overwhelming, causing many to give up on their online income dreams. Additionally, coming up with new ideas can be a constant struggle. Writer's block, creative blocks, whatever you want to call it, it's a real problem. And even when we do manage to create content, it's hard to know if it'll actually resonate with our audience. It's a guessing game, and it can be frustrating. Also, measuring the success of our content can be difficult, making it hard to know what's working and what's not. We've tried many different strategies to overcome these challenges, from outsourcing to freelancers to buying pre-made content. But the results are often mediocre, and it's hard to scale. But in the last 5 months, we've discovered that AI-generated content is indeed a massive improvement to our previous content creation approach. It offers a real solution to these problems, allowing us to create high-quality content quickly, consistently, and affordably. There are many AI tools and platforms that can assist in generating content, such as language models, content generators, and more. These tools use advanced algorithms to produce content that's often indistinguishable from human-created content. For example, AI-powered content generators can produce blog posts, social media posts, and even entire books. They can help with research, outlining, and even proofreading, saving us hours of time and effort. Another example is AI-driven video creation tools that can produce entire videos, from script to final product, in a matter of minutes. These tools can analyze popular videos, identify what makes them successful, and apply those principles to create new content. They can even add voiceovers, music, and transitions to make the video more engaging. We want to share a success story that we think will inspire you. We came across a creator who was struggling to make money online. They tried creating content themselves, but it was taking too much time and effort. They stumbled upon an AI-powered content generator and decided to give it a try. Within a few weeks, they were producing high-quality content consistently, and their online income started to skyrocket. They went from making a few $100s a month to over $10,000 a month. It was a complete turnaround, and it's all thanks to the power of AI-generated content. The key takeaway is that AI-generated content is truly a difference maker for anyone looking to make money online. That is, if you know how to use it. AI allows us to create high-quality content quickly, consistently, and affordably. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, AI-generated content can help you scale your online income and achieve your goals. Be sure to take a look at the description below, as we've added a few helpful links to get you started with AI content creation. Thanks again for watching. Have you ever used AI-generated content to make money online? What were your results? Share your experiences. Be sure to also ask any questions you may have, and let's continue the conversation in the comment section below. If you'd like to learn more about the power and profit potential of AI content creation, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.